Yeah, so I just got my package from Temu. So let's see what I got. Yeah, so Temu delivers to Ghana now and they deliver most of their orders via speed-up. If you are in Ghana, you need to follow these tips for it to be safe. So Temu is currently offering free packages to eligible and new users only. You pick 3 items and you buy or shop items worth 250 cedis upwards, and if you're eligible for free shipping, they will indicate it, and within 14 to 16 days, they will get it delivered. But before that, you need to make sure you don't order anything more than 1,000 cedis to avoid customs and all of that. So let's unbox this package and see whatever I got. I'll be leaving the pictures of the orders on the screen, and let's see if everything matches. This is the package. Very big. So let's see. So the first item is I'll show the 3 items first and see. So I chose slippers. I chose some slippers, some slides on the app. I think I was going for 100 and something cedis or 90 cedis, but because it's free, I decided to grab it. Why not? So let's see. Yeah, so this is it. If you can see it in the screen. There is a slide. So let's open it and see. So this is how it looks in person. I got size 40 in this color, white. The quality wise, everything is nice, but it seems the base is very soft. But I think that's where, if you are ordering something on Temu, or maybe if you are receiving a package, you need to check the dimensions, the size, and even reviews from others. But I saw the review, someone saying everything looks good, just that it's soft and it's good for household use, and maybe within some cool weather, if you are around places that are hot, you see maybe some slight changes in the size because of how soft the base is. But in terms of quality and everything, I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, so that's solid. Temu, they did do already, so let's move to the next. So now the next thing I got was some pants. So this is the pants I got. I'm kinda not impressed or something because what I saw was very big, and I even chose large because people were saying if you choose extra large it's more bigger and all of that. But I think the material is very lightweight. But let's unbox. Let's open it and see whether it fits me, or maybe I need to do good or something. Yeah, so this the pants. So I've had it before and maybe after. I think it's the same material, just that it's very lightweight. But hey, no complaints. So this just trendy or popular girls you've seen online or you can wear it. So let's check this out. Kind of still the same or as the ones I've been seeing around me. Real shorts to wear in them. Yeah, so this is actually as I ordered. I'll give this one 10 over 10. The fits perfectly. And I choose the shortest size, and because of my waist, I have a very big waist, so I chose it. Yeah, so this is the third item. Now let's move on to the next item. So these items are the ones I bought. I bought items worth 400 Ghana cedis personally before adding the free order. So in total, I had it was about 900 cedis or something. But because of the free orders, I only paid for the ones I chose myself. That's hanger and a 2-in-1 clothes rack. Because of the size of the clothes racks, Temu has to divide my package into two. So these packages together with the clothes hanger was one package. That's what I received. The other one is still with kindness. So I think today is the 15th or 16th day since I placed the order. I placed the order around 2nd July. So today is the 15th day, but I already received this package 2 days ago, of which speed has delivered exactly as they said, 2 weeks after you place your order. So if you're eligible for free shipping, don't worry, speed up will do the needful. I'm yet to receive the other one from Skynet, so let's check out the yeah, so I think this was around 83 cities, 10 pieces. But I bought it because of the reviews and the quality people were talking about. So let's see if it's real. So this is it. I'm not impressed with this because this is the same thing I've been seeing, and just that they just added some rubber coating to the down. I thought it would be a bit thicker and all of that, but hey, the price, what I got, I'll give this like 6 out of 10. Yeah, so far this is what you will get if you are ordering from Temu. Always make sure you read descriptions. If you want to avoid customs, make sure you buy stuffs under 1,000 cedis. And even if you try to buy those stuffs under 1,000 cedis within 48 hours, they will still pack your orders into one, of which will cost you duty, of which you don't want to go through the hassle of up and down before you pay extra for your package. So make sure if you want to buy it, just be shipping them small. If you buy maybe like 500 Ghana cedis, you just pack them and ship them after some 2 days or 5 days after they've confirmed or shipped your order. You try and place other ones. And if you need any guidance on how to set up your Temu account or add your address, get card to pay for your online payments, don't worry, just DM me on Instagram or any of my social media handles, and I'll be ever ready to help you out. 90% recommend Temu to everyone. Happy shopping, and if you need any guidance, just drop your comment. And if you have tried Temu in Ghana before too, let me know your experience and drop it in the comments. Let's learn from everyone. Bye.